In the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment, human beings have explored various paths, teachings, and philosophies throughout the ages. Among these, the law of attraction is a concept that has gained widespread attention in recent years, often associated with self-help and personal development. The idea behind this law is simple, like attracts like, and by focusing on positive thoughts and intentions, we can manifest our desires and create the life we envision. While the law of attraction is often discussed in a contemporary context, its roots can be traced back to ancient wisdom and spiritual traditions, one of which is Buddhism. In this video, we will delve into the world of the law of attraction from the perspective of Buddhism. We will draw inspiration from the profound teachings of Siddhartha Gautama, known as the Buddha, to understand how these age-old principles can help us manifest positive changes in our lives. The Law of Attraction Unveiled. 1. The essence of the Law of Attraction. The Law of Attraction is based on the premise that our thoughts and intentions have the power to shape our reality. In essence, it is the idea that we attract into our lives what we focus on and believe in. This law suggests that by maintaining a positive mindset and visualizing our desires, we can manifest our dreams and goals. 2. The link to Buddhism. While the law of attraction is often associated with modern self-help and New Age movements, its fundamental principles align with key concepts in Buddhism. Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, taught about the power of the mind, the nature of suffering, and the path to liberation. His teachings provide valuable insights into the law of attraction as they emphasize the significance of our thoughts, intentions, and the nature of reality. Understanding the mind. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything. What we think, we become. These words resonate with the essence of the law of attraction, emphasizing that our thoughts and beliefs are the seeds from which our reality blossoms. The power of positivity. The law of attraction encourages us to focus on positive thoughts and intentions. Similarly, the Buddha advocated for cultivating positive mental states such as loving kindness, compassion, and sympathetic joy. These qualities not only enhance our inner well-being, but also radiate positive energy, which, according to the law of attraction, can attract positive experiences into our lives. The power of visualization. Visualization is a key component of the law of attraction, as it involves vividly imagining your desires coming true. In Buddhism, visualization is employed in various practices, including meditation and mindfulness. Visualization allows us to tap into our inner wisdom and cultivate a clearer understanding of our intentions, aligning us with the law of attraction's principles. The power of mindfulness. The Buddha's teachings on mindfulness encourage us to be fully present in the moment, observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice aligns with the law of attraction by promoting self-awareness and enabling us to shift our focus towards positive thoughts and intentions. The law of attraction. The law of attraction shares a similar foundation, highlighting the connection between our thoughts and the reality we create. Positive energy and intentions. Both Buddhism and the law of attraction emphasize the importance of generating positive energy and intentions. In Buddhism, good intentions lead to positive karma, while in the law of attraction, they attract positive experiences. By combining these principles, we can consciously create a life filled with positivity, compassion, and fulfillment. Letting go and detachment. Detachment is a key principle in Buddhism, encouraging us to release our attachment to worldly desires and outcomes. The law of attraction also advocates for letting go of attachment to specific outcomes in order to manifest our desires. By combining these teachings, we learn that we can set intentions and work towards our goals without being attached to a specific result, opening ourselves up to the infinite possibilities of the universe. Equanimity. Equanimity is an essential quality in Buddhism, representing a balanced and even-minded approach to life's ups and downs. It aligns with the law of attraction's call to maintain a positive mindset, regardless of external circumstances. This quality of mind allows us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, ultimately attracting more positive experiences. The practice of gratitude. Gratitude is a central element in both Buddhism and the law of attraction. The Buddha encouraged his followers to be grateful for the blessings in their lives. Similarly, the law of attraction emphasizes the importance of expressing gratitude for what we have, which in turn attracts more of what we desire. Compassion for self and others. The Buddha's teachings on compassion extend to all sentient beings, and the law of attraction emphasizes the importance of fostering compassionate intentions. By showing kindness to ourselves and others, we create a positive and harmonious environment that resonates with the principles of the law of attraction. The Eightfold Path. The Buddha's Eightfold Path is a guide to ethical and mental development. It provides a roadmap for leading a life of purpose, mindfulness, and wisdom. These principles complement the law of attraction by offering a structured approach to aligning our thoughts and intentions with our goals. The law of attraction and enlightenment. The ultimate goal in Buddhism is the attainment of enlightenment, which leads to liberation from suffering. The law of attraction can be seen as a means to enhance our everyday lives, leading us closer to the realization of our true potential and, in a broader sense, to spiritual enlightenment. Practical application of the law of attraction. 1. Vision boards and affirmations. Practical techniques such as vision boards and positive affirmations are often used to apply the law of attraction. By incorporating these methods into our daily lives, we can reinforce our positive intentions and bring our desires to fruition. 2. Daily mindfulness practice. Meditation and mindfulness, as advocated by Buddhism, are essential tools for applying the law of attraction. These practices help us become more aware of our thoughts and enable us to redirect our focus towards positivity and intention. Overcoming challenges. 1. Dealing with negative thoughts. Challenges are an inherent part of life, and both Buddhism and the law of attraction acknowledge this reality. The Buddha taught the importance of recognizing and transforming negative thoughts, while the law of attraction encourages us to replace them with positive ones. The law of attraction and a balanced life. While the law of attraction often focuses on material desires, it is crucial to maintain a balance between material and spiritual goals. Buddhism teaches the importance of transcending the material world to achieve spiritual growth and liberation. The law of attraction and the greater good. The law of attraction is not limited to personal gain, but can also be used to contribute to the greater good. By aligning our intentions with the well-being of all living beings, we can collectively create a more harmonious and compassionate world. Maintaining a mindset of abundance. Both Buddhism and the law of attraction promote an abundance mentality. By shifting our perspective from scarcity to abundance, we open ourselves up to greater opportunities, positivity, and fulfillment. Continuous growth. Buddhism and the law of attraction are not quick-fix solutions but lifelong journeys of self-discovery and growth. By embracing these teachings and integrating them into our daily lives, we can continuously evolve and manifest positive change. The law of attraction, when viewed through the lens of Buddhism, offers a profound and holistic approach to creating positive change in our lives. Siddhartha Gautama's teachings provide a strong foundation for understanding the power of our thoughts, intentions, and actions in shaping our reality. By combining the wisdom of both traditions, we can embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, self-improvement, and spiritual growth. The law of attraction, inspired by Buddhism, empowers us to manifest our desires, while also promoting a compassionate and harmonious world for the greater good of all beings. May you find inspiration in the teachings of Gautama Buddha and the principles of the law of attraction as you embark on a journey of positive transformation and fulfillment. Remember, like attracts like, and by cultivating positive thoughts and intentions, you have the power to shape your reality and create the life you truly desire.